Hi, this is Andrew from Vitalise IT. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how we can use Microsoft Sway to produce a resource to share with the students and to assess their learning as well. So once you've gone to Microsoft Sway, this is the home page. We click on the Create button, and this topic is going to be on DNA. So first of all, I'm going to add a background to the Sway by clicking on the image, and I'm going to search for DNA. Because it knows I'm looking at DNA already, it's already brought some suggestions up for me. I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to add as a background. Next, I'm going to add a PowerPoint to my Sway. This is a PowerPoint I created earlier on, so I just click on the box once and you'll see this button appears, this plus button. If I click on that, I can then add some media because I'm going to embed this PowerPoint. If I now go to PowerPoint, and in the PowerPoint, I just need to click on File and Share, and you'll see it has an embed code. I can choose the size of the embed I want, and this is just a case of testing to see what you want, what size you prefer. But I can now copy that code, and I can go back to my Sway and paste that code in there. So it'll be there. Next, I'm going to add a video. So I can click on the plus again, click on Media, and this time I'm going to click on Video. And because I've already searched for DNA, it's already got some searches there, and it just happens this is the video I want. So I click on the video, and I can then add the video. And finally, I'm going to use a Microsoft form just to assess my students' learning. So again, I'll click on the plus, click on the media again, because the form is going to be embedded. So here's a form that I created earlier. On the form, we just click on the send, and you can see we have the option for a code there, embed code. Copy that code, and again back to the Sway, click on embed, and we can paste that code into there. Let's have a quick look at what this Sway looks like. If we press play, you'll see at the minute it's sliding sideways. It's a horizontal sort of web page. It's not the sort of layout that I like the best. So if we want to change that, we can click on Design, and we can click on Styles on the right. And here I can make it a vertical Sway. What I can also do is I can keep this layout, or I can change the colors of the layout. I can ask Microsoft to change the colors for me as well if I want to. And then from there, I can go back to my design. And what I can also do is at the minute you can see that on here, when we look at the design, everything's side by side. It may be that I want something one above the other. So if I go back to my storyline, I can click on, for example, the embed code for my forms, make it a little bit bigger. Similar with the video, I can make that a little bit bigger as well. And also the PowerPoint. This time when I have a look at the finished version, there we are, we can scroll down. There's my PowerPoint, and that takes a second to load up, but it will appear there in a second. There we go. There's my PowerPoint. The students can look through the PowerPoint, can have instructions in there as well. There is my video for the students to watch as well. And then finally at the bottom of the page, here we have a form where I can then assess what they've learned for that particular lesson. To share it with the students, I can then click on Share, and I can get an embed code if I want to share it with an embed code, or I can share it with a link. I can copy the link and send it to my students as well. Okay, so that's how to make a quick web page using Microsoft Sway to share resources and assess the learning of the students. I hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching.